Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a spinning effect for your text in a video by using the CapCut animation. So here, what you need to do is just add your photo or video and then write your text. Here I'm going to just write good morning. Then after that you can change the style to the one you like. I'm going to try this. Okay, now go to animation, find loop, and scroll down until you find the rotate option. Now you can see the text will be spinning just like that, and you can always adjust on how fast or slow you want the text to spin. Click on the check icon and put it in where you like. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.